Hi friends, this is Nikhil from Anupam FinConsultants, and today we are going to analyze a stock called Sundaram Brake Lining Limited. So this stock is right now on 20th June 2021 is trading at around 417 according to the Friday closing, and this stock seems like a potential candidate for almost 30 to 40% returns in the coming future. Now we'll analyze why is it so. Why do I think that the stock can give such good returns in the coming term? Please keep in mind that always do your own analysis. This is just for educational purpose. Okay. So Sundaram Brakes Lining Limited. Right now we are seeing our weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, the stock was around this is the resistance level, initial resistance level of the stock, which is somewhere around 399. So if you see at this level, this candle, the previous week candle, this candle almost broke the resistance with a very good full candle. I won't say full candle, but yeah, good breakout was there, and the stock started cooling off in the next in the previous week, in the last trading week, right? So in that, if I zoom, you will see that the initial supply zones, which are over here and over here, so the initial supply zones this time became the demand zone. You will see a shadow over here. So this means that now the earlier supply zones have become the demand zones, and now they are buyers sitting in the market at around the level of 400 or 399, which earlier was the supply zone. So this means that this can work as a good support for the stock. And one more good thing which actually gives me confidence about my analysis, that see the volumes over here. So these are like very good volumes which give you some kind of hope about the stock, that stock is doing well in terms of trading, and we can see some good potential upside returns. Now I'll use fib to uh, find out my targets. So I'll use this as the initial 0 point, and if I extend this line, and 1 second, I'll just zoom out to get the supply zones going the right way. So using this as a zero level, uh, using this as the zero level and building it up, and I will take it to the first supply zone, which I see, which is somewhere down here, I would say. So my initial target, so the stock is right now trading at around 417, as I said. So my first target would be around 546. So you can consider returns of about 546 minus 417 divided by 417. So around 30% returns is somewhat I would be expecting as my first target. And if we have to go for the later targets, I would say the next target would be somewhere around 700, which would be quite a long-term target for the stock. But yeah, this still seems like potential. I don't think this is something which is not achievable. You can see something like that coming in the stock. And one of the reason that I selected this stock is because Sundaram Brakes, it's an automobile. So it's this company which deals in automobiles and automobile parts, and I am very much bullish in the auto sector in the coming few days, and I believe that this stock can play this automobile theme very well. So this is a kind of stock which you can keep in a portfolio, and aim for some good returns in the coming times. Thank you so much.